Unlock the power of decentralized finance by learning to directly fund your Metamask wallet with a credit card, opening up immediate access to Ethereum and a universe of tokens. First, ensure you have your Metamask browser extension installed and unlock. Locate your wallet address €. This is the crucial string of characters where your crypto will be sent. You can easily copy it by clicking the account name above your address. Metamask partners with various trusted third-party services that allow you to purchase crypto directly with your credit card within your Metamask extension. You'll usually find a buy or add funds option. Clicking this will typically present you with a choice of these partner services. Select your preferred service here. You'll enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Like Ethereum, the service will then display your total cost in fiat currency, including any applicable fees. Ensure you see credit card as a payment option. Carefully input your credit card details, the card number, expiry date, CVV code, and your billing address. It's essential that this information matches precisely what the credit card provider has on file to avoid transaction errors. Before finalizing, a summary screen will appear. Review all the details: the amount of crypto you're buying, the total fiat cost, and any transaction fees. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct. Once you confirm, the process begins. Depending on the service and your bank, you might be prompted for additional verification, like a one-time password from your bank after successful processing. Your newly purchased cryptocurrency will be deposited directly into your Metamask wallet. And there you have it. Your Metamask wallet is now funded, ready for you to explore the exciting world of DeFi, NFTs, and beyond. All made simpler by directly using your credit card to get started.